Hi, welcome to SK Lifestyle. Before we get started, please hit that subscribe button down below and the notification bell. All right, with that said, let's jump right into it. So winter's gone, probably ready for some gardening, some lawn care. And once you're done seeding, putting in your plants, then what do you need? Water, right? Well, that's the problem we have today. And with that said, when you go to water right after wintertime, sometimes you find that you turn it on. What do we do, huh? All right, no, sir, all right. So maybe we don't do all that, but we certainly can't stand it. I know that for sure. I just did some seeding and so forth, and I went to mine and they were just like this, and I'm just so busy. I just let it kind of run a little bit. I put something underneath to drain it away, and I just let it be. But you don't want it to be like that forever. You don't want water just soaking up next to the foundation of your home. Plus, it's annoying and it doesn't look good, right? So we're going to go over how to fix it, and it's going to be quick. So let's jump into it. All right, so like I said, it's very simple. Now, this piece right here, you may need a pair of pliers or something just to pull it off. You can see we have some scrapes on ours just from opening up. It's loose right now because I already got it done. But any pair of needle nose pliers or just a regular wrench or something, you know, should be able to help you out, no problem. So we'll go ahead and get that off here. And it's really this simple. So we have this little piece, little crown looking piece in here. And we have one of these. Now you can buy these at Home Depot, spare ones. This is plastic, but I'm sure you can get one that's actually metal. And it's really as simple as just doing this. Because when it's frosted up and everything over winter, this gets turned around and that's what messes it up. So you want this little black piece, point it in here, just drop it in, and you can see it's kind of edged too, so you kind of want to have the edges in between if you can. And just go ahead and flip her in. Now push it around a little bit, wiggle it, just make sure that it's sitting on there flat. You don't want to screw it on and have it cross-threaded. And if we're as good as we think we are, then we'll turn it on. And there you go. We don't have any problems. Turn on the water now and then watch. It's running. We got water coming out and we don't have anything coming out of there. So not too bad at all. And then I got my 4-way connector piece here, and I will probably be doing a review on this soon as well, but this works great. I can just turn the water off. You can see the water stopping, and that's it. So there is your fix. That is all you need to do. Yes, it is that simple. Now, there are some other versions, so this won't fix everything, but if you get these frost ones, they work great. The only thing you really need to do is turn off the water in wintertime. Once it gets to fall and you're done with water, turn it off, and that's what'll save you from having that problem of the water gushing out. But if you do forget and it is gushing out, that's all you need to do. So hopefully this was helpful for you all. If it was, leave those comments down below, like and share the video as well. And like I said at the beginning, be sure to subscribe to SK Lifestyle. I appreciate it. See you all next time.